Do you remember when our finance minister once made this statement while giving interview on PTI saying rupee is not weak, it's a dollar that is strengthening. And like always, she got a lot of criticism on internet. Well, she was not completely wrong and I have a point to make. Now think of all the currencies as players in a race. Let's say we have rupee, euro and dollar. They all are running on the same track, that is global economy. Now dollar is running faster, it means that it is getting stronger. But does it mean that other currency have stopped running or they're running backward? No, it simply says that they're not running as fast as dollar. So currency strength is always relative. A stronger dollar does not make every other currency weaker. It can't. And it just simply means that moving faster, dollar is moving faster in comparison with other currencies. But right now what's happening is contradictive of what I have just said, because rupee is lowest of all the time and we went 84 to 87 against dollar in 3 months. Now we are facing three India specific challenges, and the first one is foreign investors are pulling money out and moving back to US because US right now is offering better returns. Number 2 is India is importing more than it exports, and especially in case of oil, when the oil prices go up, the demand of dollar increases, and because of that it affects the value of rupee. Third important thing is rupee, RBI has recently cut the interest rate, and because of that it slightly make India less attractive for global investors. So falling in rupee does not seem like a major problem at first, but it really affects inflation, fuel prices, abroad education cost, and even your iPhone bill.